Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we are here on Mask Monday. Welcome, ladies, gents, if you're here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new here to my channel, I thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. Mask Monday, we are doing a hand mask today. Not sure how to pronounce this word, C-I-C-A, Repairing Cica Hand Mask, Probiotic Oat and Shea Butter. So you know this is going to smell good. It's going to smell really good. Helps repair extra dry problem skin, which my hands are really super dry. I've been playing with stuff tonight. Got my polish off my hands. We're going to dive in. Let me shake this down a little bit. So we're gonna, and I bought this one I did buy at Walmart for $3, $2.95, $2.99, $3, somewhere in that ballpark, same difference. That's where I got it. It's a 10-minute mask, single use. So we're gonna leave that here. Which 10 minutes, it's not bad. We'll see how it goes. I'm assuming these are connected and you have to tear them apart. There we go. Let's dive in. Let's crack on and get our moisture going. Because my hands are so dry. Well, let's push back the hoodie. Fix this on my wrist. Whoops. Do the little tab so it stays kaput. I want you to check out Hillbilly's Creativity as well as Glitter Sparkle UK. The three of us get together every Monday and do a Mask Monday. And then, oh, the tab didn't come off. Oh. There's this little tab right here, and I need it to come off. I need it to come off so I can hook it. Let's see if I can get it over here now. Aha! By George, I got it. Use the old teeth. So I'm going to push that my cuticle area, my problem areas around my fingers. Rub it in, rub it in. Isn't that a song from the 70s? Rub it in, rub it in. Talking about suntan oil? I think there is. Let's see, from my memory bank there is. So, 10 minutes. This has been on for probably only one so far after that. There's giveaways going on, so please check my channel for those. Mine, Hillbilly's Creativity, and a bunch of others. Links will be in the description boxes of those videos. Not here. Don't look for them here because you won't find the links. Look for Nail Sister Secret Word Giveaway. Look for... Trying this because my birthday giveaway has already passed, so congratulations to those winners. Sorry there weren't more UK international people did not enter, and I'm really bummed about that because I wanted to include them so badly. And we had 3 sticker packs, only 2 international people entered, you know, and then we had 1 gift card to Charlie's Nail Art for the a UK person. And we know who that went to. There was only 1 UK person that entered. It was really sad. I was really bummed about that. I wanted my birthday giveaway to be really great. I wanted to, you know, share with people some of the items that I have an abundance of. So, but yeah, maybe next year. Maybe next year it'll be better. I don't know. I do a birthday giveaway, I think, every year since I've had my channel. But I don't know. Maybe I've had too many giveaways and people don't like them anymore. I don't know, but people didn't follow the rules, and the rules were really simple. Share it, subscribe to everybody. And a lot of people did not share. This is kind of noisy. If it is, I'm really sorry. I just want to some nourishment. These are not really juicy, dewy gloves, so I'm going to try to get the thumbs down in there all the way to get the moisturizing compound. I don't even know what to call it. I don't know where compound came from. But I want this to work out. My hands will feel great after this. This is dermatology recommended. Wash hands thoroughly and dry. Insert one hand into each glove, fasten strap for comfort. Remove after 10 minutes. No need to rinse. Massage remaining product into the skin until fully absorbed. Fragrance free. Oh, I forgot to smell. That's a bummer. Fragrance free. I was really looking forward to smelling the shea butter. That sucks. I forgot all about it. But again, you can find these at Walmart. I think I may go back and get me another one or two because I love a hand mask. They make your hands feel so good. 1 week, I think I'm just going to do some Vaseline on my hands and some gloves. Call it a night. Go to bed like that, maybe. I don't know. I don't know how long. The feet, you go to bed like that. So your hands, I don't know how long to leave it on for. Let me put this in the trash. Sorry, it's picking trash up off my desk. I'm trying to, you know, stay on with you the whole 10 minutes. I don't know really how long it's been. I don't know. And this finger needs it right here. I need a lot of attention right here. Opening pop bottles has gotten me a callus on my finger, which I have a hard time opening pop bottles. I don't have the strength in my hands like I used to. So I got some tears in my skin here. I've got a callus right here on my finger that I can feel. Wish to God that wasn't there because it's so ugly. So ugly. Phone's falling. That stuff over. Please forgive me. All my noise and everything. All my noise. So please check out the giveaways. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you tried this hand mask before. If you have, give me your details, your opinions. If you haven't, would you like to? It's just a hop, skip, and a jump away at Walmart. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell, click all, so you can get notified of videos, giveaways, and important information. I know I normally say that at the end, but I just felt the need to get it out there in case people don't stay to the end. I wish I'd have paid more attention to the time when I put these on. But I'm going to pause. Where's my stylus? And I'll be back probably in about 3-4 minutes. Okay, I think we are back. If not, then I'm talking to myself. I think it's been over 10 minutes. Wanted to give them just some extra time to absorb, treat my problem skin, repair it. Okay, we're going to take them off. Pull these off here. Ooh. Oh, this feels good. It's nice and thick. It's not runny. And this is how I do my lotions. Rub them in. But this is on my hand. Here's my callus I was talking about. It's really ugly. And then I got tears in my skin right here, all from pop bottles. Opened in a 2-liter. So I'm going to rub and massage in my hands over my tattoos just to give them some extra moisture, and there's nothing wrong with that. Tattoos need love too. Keep them looking supple. And it absorbs in the skin really nice. Really nice. It's not greasy. It's not juicy. It just absorbs really nice into the skin. Your hands will feel like $1,000,000. Well, this is my findings for Mask Monday, my review on the Aveeno Repairing Sika Hand Mask, Probiotic Oat, and Shea Butter. Oh, there is a smell. Oh, and it is divine. It's oh so light. It's very light fragrance. But I like it. I'm going to have to go get me another one of these for certain. And I was just there yesterday, too. Walmart. You can even order these, I assume, off Amazon. Or Temu. Temu. Don't forget Temu. For first-time buyers, I have got a direct link for a discount and a discount code. Joy3859 is my code. If I remember, I'll put it in the description box. The link, that is. So today we did the Aveeno Repairing Hand Mask. Love it, love it, love it. Give it 2 thumbs up. My nails look grody now, though. Very grody. It's like it pulled all the dirt from I don't know where. Holy cow. And my hands were clean before this. But I'm loving the way they feel. This was a thick lotion to rub in. It was not. And it's a good one that you want to find. It's a thick hand lotion. Don't use the ones that if you hold your hand like this and it just runs. Those are no good. It's all water. This is what I use. Dove. You find these at the Dollar Tree. Dove Intensifying Cream. I just bought a new one because this one's like almost out. This one says Nourishing Body Care, so you can use it all over the whole body, not just your hands. And you will love it. Totally recommend that to any female. You're going to love the way that feels. You're going to love the way this mask felt on your hands. It just feels, I don't know, my hands feel so different. They feel so much better and softer. So soft. I mean, they feel like really soft. I'm just kind of shocked because I get really dry hands. Nails too. My nails really dry where they peel. But I've been using my, from Tammy's Nail Techniques, my TNT lemongrass tea cuticle oil. Love the smell of this. I love it, love it, love it. Go check out Tammy's Nail Techniques. She's got a website. You can order products from her, nail stuff, and it's divine. Just divine. She was one of my sponsors for my birthday giveaway. Tammy, I thank you for that if you're here and you're watching. I don't think a lot of my girls come to the Mask Mondays. But they should for the hand masks. Well, we're going to end this because I bumped my gums long enough tonight. I filmed this in the evening, like, right now it's 9:54, so it's at night. God, my skin feels so good. So good. But we're going to call this an end to our video for Mask Mondays, the Aveeno hand mask. Check these out. I so recommend these, the hand masks. Especially this one. I got one more, but I've already reviewed it already, but they feel great. And I like to do one like once a week, once every 2 weeks. You know, rotate on my videos with the hand and the face masks. Even though I'll record them, whatever, but we're gonna go. It's evening, I'm tired and I'm babbling. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think of my Aveeno hand repairing hand mask. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourself a blessed evening. Thank you.